We will learn how to graph a system of inequalities in Desmos. Our two inequalities are y is less than or equal to negative 3x minus 1 and y is greater than 2x plus 6. The first step is to open Desmos Graphing Calculator app or go to desmos.com. And in the first box here, we will type our first inequality. Y is less than or equal to negative 3x minus 1. You type it exactly how you see it. Notice here, Desmos shades the region below the line because of the less than or equal to sign. And here the line is solid because of the equal sign in our inequality. You see the equal sign here? That means points on this line are included in our solution. Now, in the second box, we will type y is greater than 2x plus 6. Desmos shades above the line. And you notice the line is dashed. That's because the inequality is strictly greater than. So points on this line are not included in our solution because the line is dashed. Now, look at the overlapping shaded region right here. This darker shaded region shows the points that make both inequalities true. And these are the solutions to your system of inequalities. So remember, a solid line means that the points on that line are included in our solution, and it's solid because of the equal sign under the less than sign. And dashed lines mean the points on that line are not included in our solution. And the overlapping shaded region here make both inequalities true. So you've graphed a system of inequalities in Desmos. Try changing the slopes and intercepts to see how the graphs move and the shaded areas change.